Today we will learn human body parts name in Hindi and English both. So let's start. Which body part is this? This is elbow. Elbow को हिंदी में कोहनी कहते हैं. Which body part is this? This part is eyes. Eyes को हिंदी में आँख कहते हैं. Which body part is this? This part is foot. Foot को हिंदी में पैर कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is shoulder. Shoulder को हिंदी में कंधा कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is chest. Chest को हिंदी में छाती कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is knee. Knee को हिंदी में घुटना कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is neck. Neck को हिंदी में गर्दन कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is finger. Finger को हिंदी में उंगली कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is hand. Hand को हिंदी में हाथ कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is hair. Hair को हिंदी में बाल कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is nose. Nose को हिंदी में नाक कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is ear. Ear को हिंदी में कान कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is leg. Leg को हिंदी में पैर कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is eyebrow. Eyebrow को हिंदी में भुआई कहते हैं. Which body part is this? This is a forehead. Forehead को हिंदी में माथा कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is tongue. Tongue को हिंदी में जीभ कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is teeth. Teeth को हिंदी में दांत कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is head. Head को हिंदी में सिर कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is lip. Lip को हिंदी में ओठ कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is toes. Toes को हिंदी में पैर की उंगली कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is mouth. Mouth को हिंदी में मुंह कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is chin. Chin को ठोड़ी कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is cheek. Cheek को हिंदी में गाल कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is arms. Arms को हिंदी में भुजा कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is stomach. Stomach को हिंदी में पेट कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is waist. Waist को हिंदी में कमर कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is thigh. Thigh को हिंदी में जांघ कहते हैं. Which part is this? This is hill. Hill को हिंदी में एड़ी कहते हैं. Thanks for watching my videos.